Okay, well students, we are in the problems of integration, that to be type 1. Type 1 problems are concerned to evaluating integration by basic formulas as good as by direct integration method. So in these problems, you just need to apply our last class worked out formulas and get the answer of integration. So write the next problem. This is our fourth class. Second year PhD, it is understood. P2. We are with fourth class now. It's a very big topic, like differentiation already told. It may go till up to class 30, class 31, class 32, perhaps. Let's see. But definitely, it's a very big topic and needs a big kind of getting knowledge also for your mind is concerned. So write next problem. As I told, I solve NCERT problems plus some other problems also. But my request is that in mathematics, don't expect same numbered problem. Expect same type of problem. That will be your skill. So don't be silly manner. Always to be in high level manner. Next problem. Integrate. Integrate 3x square minus x plus 2 divided by x to the power of 4. Of course, directly I given symbol of integration. You can make this rather than evaluate, not integrate. Anyway, does not matter our working method. First step, start from I. Let I equal to integration 3x square minus x plus 2 divided by x to the power of 4. When you see the list of formulas for this arrangement, there is no formula at all. Formula is only for integration of x power n and some other things. But for this particular expression, there is no formula in the list. In the last class I told that write the formulas in separate page and keep in front of you. That will be very good for your support of formulas. We shall break the terms. While C group A plus B plus C by D means A by D, B by D, C by D. So let's break the terms. First term, after taking 3x square by x to the power of 4 minus x divided by x to the power of 4 plus 2 divided by x to the power of 4. So does here x square cancels. Here x cancels. Here no question of any cancellation. Left is integration 3 divided by x square minus 1 divided by x cube plus 2 divided by x to the power of 4. Now we can apply some rule of integration. We can bifurcate into 3 integrations because of sum of 3 terms. While bifurcating, keep a constant, multiply a constant outside the integration. So according to that now, 3 first term, integration 1 divided by x square. 1 divided by x square can be written as at numerator part x to the power of minus 2. But even then, we have a formula for this from last class. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. That's why I am not written in power form. I kept it unchanged. Here we shall put it in power form. Minus integration x to the power of minus 3 dx plus 2 outside into integration of x to the power minus 4 dx. 3. Now recall list of formulas. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 divided by x, because simply reason is that differentiation of minus 1 by x is plus 1 by x square. That is why integration of 1 by x square will be minus 1 by x minus. It is just like integration of x to the power n, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that means x power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Next also same type of formula, x to the power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1, and you can add constant now. Finally, minus 3 divided by x minus x power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 2 into x power minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. And if you want one more step, you can take like x to the power of minus 2 means 1 by x square, x to the power of minus 3 is 1 by x cube, and here minus of minus will become plus. So one more step, minus 3 divided by x plus 1 divided by 2x square minus 2 divided by 3x cube plus constant. That's the final result of given integration problem. Next problem. Find, or it may be given as evaluate. Find integration root x minus 1 by root x whole square. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration root x minus 1 by root x whole square. For this present expression, there is no formula in the list, so we apply some suitable steps. It is just like a minus b whole square. So using that formula a minus whole square, now a square become root x square plus b square become 1 by root x square minus 2ab becomes 2 into root x into 1 by root x. Next simplification, integration root x whole square means x. 1 by root x whole square is 1 by x. Here root x will be cancelled out, minus 2 left. Now we can apply some rule of integration on breaking the terms. First term, integration of x dx plus second term, integration of 1 by x dx. In the next term, 2 can be kept outside, minus 2 into integration of 1 dx. X means we can treat x power 1, so integration of x power 1 means x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is x power 2 by 2. But integration of 1 by x can't be, you cannot take in the form of power, that will be invalid. It is log x because derivative of log x is 1 by x. So conversely, integration of 1 by x will be log x minus 2 into integration of 1 dx will be x plus constant. As far as arbitrary constant is concerned, not necessarily c, any can be added, a, b, c, d, but one, not the more number of constants, only one constant to be added. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Find or evaluate integration. Sin x plus tan x minus 3 into cot x. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration of sin x plus tan x minus 3 into cot x. Now we can apply some rule of integration on making the integration first term, integration of sin x plus integration of tan x minus 3 into integration of cot x dx. Now refer list of formulas. That's why I told, keep formula page in front of you and refer them. A list of formulas, integration of sin x is minus of cos x. Next, importantly, differentiation of tan x is secant square x. But integration of tan x cannot be secant square x. It will be log of sec x. Refer last class list of formulas. Minus 3 into. Again by list of formulas set, what we can get is that integration of cot x will be log of sin x. Plus constant. And also I told in the earlier days that in integration coefficient of x will divide, whereas in differentiation coefficient of x will multiply. That means if it were normal integration of sin x, answer will be minus of cos x. And if it is integration of sin ax, then importantly answer is no doubt minus of cos ax, and more importantly you need to divide by coefficient of x, and that coefficient of x will be 2. In this problem, no question of anything with division, because in every case coefficient of x is 1. That's why we don't have any division terms. Next problem. Find or evaluate integration sec x into sec x plus tan x. Start with I. Let I equal to given integration problem. Let I equal to integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x. We shall open the bracket from sec x, and also at the same time there will be how many terms? Two terms. First term, integration sec x into sec x is secant square x, plus next term, integration of sec x into tan x. We have a direct formulas in the list. Integration of secant square x is tan x, whereas integration of sec x tan x is sec x. So it is now tan x plus sec x plus constant. Next problem. Another point to keep in mind, everything in the last class I told, in integration you have to divide coefficient of x. You can make it in the form of note. We know that integration of e power x will be e power x, whereas integration of e power ax, you are in integration, keep in mind. So answer will be e power ax. Not only e power ax, you have to think of whether we have to divide or we have to multiply. We have to divide because we are with integration divide by a compulsory. If it were concerned differentiation, then what will be the answer? A into e power x. In differentiation, multiply. In integration, divide that existing coefficient. For example, integration of e power 8x dx. Answer will be e power 8x not into 8 divided by 8. If same function considered for differentiation, then answer will be 8 into e power 8x. No wondering. Another example, integration of minus x dx. Minus x means how much? Minus 1 into x. On that basis, it is e power minus x divided by minus 1. But that divided by minus 1 can be considerable as into minus. Means minus of e to the power minus x. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration e power 2x plus e power minus 3x whole square. First step, take I. So I equal to integration e power 2x plus e power minus 3x whole square. Directly we cannot apply this formula because we have a square. We first clear that square. To clear that square, we apply a plus b whole square formula. On using the formula of a plus b whole square, what it says, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Accordingly, that now it becomes integration e power 2x whole square plus e power minus 3x whole square. Then 2ab term will be 2 into e power 2x into e power minus 3x. We can use last indices e raised to m, raised to n, e raised to mn. On that basis, e raised to 2x whole square become 2 into 2 is 4, e power 4x, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, e to the power minus 6x plus 2 into, here bases are same, add the powers, 2x minus 3x will be minus x, that is 2 into e to the power minus x. Now we can bifurcate into how many terms? 3 terms. That is equal to first term integration e power 4x plus next term integration e power minus 6x. Then 2 into integration of e to the power of minus x. So let's apply the concerned formula of integration. Integration of e power x is e power x, but integration of e power ax is e power ax divided by a. So here e power 4x divided by 4 plus actually becomes minus plus e to the power minus 6x divided by minus 6. And integration of e to the power of minus x is minus of e to the power of minus x, that is total minus 2 e to the power of minus x plus constant. Next problem. What these problems we are solving just by applying basic formulas, not any high level methods are concerned here. Just applying basic formulas, and if require some high school formulas like a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, like that. Right, next problem. Integrate. Integrate one minus x square into root x with respect to x. So we have to start from symbol. Let I equal to integration root x into 1 minus x square. Think of whether for this expression we have a formula in the list or not. We don't have formula in the list, so we shall multiply bracket from root x. On opening bracket from root x inside the integration, first term root x into 1 root x minus root x into x to the power of 2. Actually, we have a formula directly. Integration of root x is x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. Okay, right. Integration x power half. Root x means x power half, and here power half, power 2. So power half, power 2 will become 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So second term will be integration of x power 5 by 2 dx. For both we can apply the unique formula. Which formula? Integration of x power n formula. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Accordingly then here x power 1 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Whereas here x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. Plus constant. Next step, just a simplification step. 1 by 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 rather than same as 2 by 3. 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. And here 5 by 2 plus 1 means 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7. 1 by 7 will become 2 by 7 minus 2 divided by 7 into x to the power 7 by 2 plus constant. Already told like this, any other kind of problem, you don't bother, you don't be silly that that number is solved, this number is solved, in exam that number came, this number came. No, method is important here. How means integration of x power 2, integration of x power 3, integration of x power 4, integration of x power 5, x power 6. Like this, I can solve daily same type of problem. This is not. So today I solve up to x power 100. Tomorrow x power 101, x power 102, up to x power 200. Day of tomorrow 201. Like that, 1 year we can solve the same problem. What's the use of that? No use at all. So you try to understand the mechanism here rather than remembering that particular problem in mind. Next problem. Find or evaluate integration x plus 2 whole cube plus 2x minus 3 whole power minus 4 dx. I am solving NCERT problems plus mixed also to make your mind perfect in applying formulas. First step, start from I. We break the terms, means we shall decompose integration. First term, integration of x plus 2 whole cube dx plus next term, integration of 2x minus 3 whole to the power minus 4 dx. And you may think that we need to apply here a plus b whole cube. Can be applied, but not necessary. Not necessary, because we have a support of this formula from last class. What formula we have? Integration of ax plus b to the power of n. Formula is 1 divided by a. That a is coefficient of x. 1 by a into ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So let's use that formula. On using that formula in the first case, what is n? 3. And importantly, what is coefficient of x? 1. No question of dividing. But there is a dividing in the second one, but not in the first one. So for the first one, what is answer? X plus 2 to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Plus, here also same type, means same kind of formula mechanism, 2x minus 3 power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 and more importantly, take care of coefficient of x. Here coefficient was 1, that's why it is not given more importance. But here importance should be given because the x coefficient is 2, and to observe whether we are differentiating or integrating. We are integrating, so we need to divide by that x coefficient, means it will be 1 divided by 2 plus constant. This 1 by 2 is very, very crucial and very, very important. Finally, x plus 2 power 4 divided by 4. And here 1 minus 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Total minus 2x minus 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 minus 4 minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6. That minus letter here I should write plus 6 plus constant. In some books, some lecturers, they will prefer to apply a plus b whole cube, no wrong, but not required because we have directly that support of that formula. Next problem. Find or evaluate. See, type 1 problems are very important. If you become perfect in these problems, means how to solve such problems, it will be easier in the coming types of problems. So, because first type concerned with basic formulas. If you are thorough in basic formulas, the next coming sequences becomes very easier. That's why I am going to solve here some more number of problems. I mean, excluding after solving NCERT, plus some more examples also solving, only to make your mind proper in applying these basic formulas. Next problem, evaluate. Integration 1 divided by cube root of x minus 2 plus fifth root of 3x plus 1 dx. First step, take I. Let I equal to given problem. Means 1 divided by cube root of x minus 2 plus fifth root of 3x plus 1. Right now, these two not in this formula type. So we shall adjust to that formula type. For that, we shall shift it at numerator. At presently, what's meaning of cube root whole power 1 by 2. Recall high school, nth root of a. Nth root of a means a to the power 1 by n. And nth root of a power k will be a to the power k divided by n. So this is x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3, but at numerator become x minus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. X minus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. Plus fifth root will become power 1 by 5. 3x plus 1 to the power 1 by 5. So that now we can bifurcate into two integrations. First one will be integration of x minus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. Plus second one, integration of 3x plus 1 to the power 1 by 5. You can treat as if in the form of x to the power of n. No wrong with that. But if there is a coefficient of x, you have to divide. So it is just like integration of x power n, but instead of x, we have x minus 2. Answer: x minus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Similar type of answer, but you must take care of coefficient of x. What is it? 3. So first write for safer side 1 by 3 first. Now that is safest one. Now formula: 3x plus 1 to the power 1 by 5 plus 1 divided by 1 by 5 plus 1 and plus constant. That is equal to x minus 2 to the power LCM 3 into 1 3 minus 1 become 2 means 2 by divided by same number 2 by plus 1 divided by 3 into here LCM 5 to 1 5 plus 1 will be 6, that is 3x plus 1 power 6 divided by 5 whole divided by 6 divided by 5 plus constant. And if you want one more step, you can continue. 3 will goes to numerator, here 5 will goes to numerator, so it is 3 by 2 into x minus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Here 3 into 6, 18. That is other than same as 5 divided by 18 plus 5 divided by 18 into 3x plus 1 to the power 6 by 5 plus constant. I hope that you are understanding the facts about integration. Just we are in basic formulas till we meet some more number of formulas in upcoming classes. Next problem. Evaluate or integrate. Evaluate integration x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 to the power 7 dx. First step, as usual, begin from rotation I. First step, start from I, from the side. But I am adjusting here only I. And right now, we cannot apply this formula because our problem not in this format exactly. So we shall transfer to that format using some suitable steps. That is equal to integration x cube plus 1 means written as 1 cube, right? 1 cube. First, after the right 2 more terms plus 3 into x square plus 3 into x divided by x plus 1 whole power 7. Next, when you observe numerator, you will have a flash of formula in the mind. It is just like in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, because after all into 1 can be written, here into 1 square can be written, because 1 square does not make any changes for that expression. It is just like a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. What it is nothing but an a plus b whole cube, means numerator x plus 1 cube divided by x plus 1 power 7. So whole cube 4 power 7 means 3 factor cancel out, left is 1 by x plus 1 power 4 in denominator, whereas in numerator becomes x plus 1 to the power minus 4. That is equal to integration dx by x plus 1 power 4. Because in the factor of cube and 7, cube factor cancel, left out whole power 4. This factor we shifted to numerator, that means it is integration x plus 1 to the power minus 4 dx. Yes, now it is exactly in this formula type. Or you can even treat it just like x to the power of n, or on. In place of x, we have x plus 1. But only thing, if there is a coefficient of x, you have to be careful. That's all. No coefficient of x, no question of careful here. Answer: x plus 1 power minus 4 plus 1 will become minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus constant. But caution, if there is a coefficient of x, you must have get divided. Suppose if it is a 7x plus 1, you need to divide by 7 to that result of integration. Next problem. Find or integrate, find integration of x square divided by x square plus 1 dx. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration of x square divided by x square plus 1 dx. Right now, for this arrangement, we don't have formula. We have formula for integration of 1 by x square plus 1. What it is, tan inverse of x. Here, because of this extra x square, right now, that formula we cannot apply. So what we shall do is that we shall try to get a factor x square plus 1 in numerator. To get this factor in numerator, we add and subtract 1 in numerator. Add, I subtract 1 in numerator. So I equals to integration x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. It is just like a minus b by c, a by c minus b by c. That means that is equal to integration x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 minus next term will be 1 divided by x square plus 1. Now in the process, x square plus 1 will cancel out. So that is equal to integration of 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. Now we can break into how many terms? Two terms. First term, integration of 1 dx minus second term, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now see the list of formulas. What is integration of 1 dx? X. Here integration of 1 by 1 plus x square will be tan inverse of x, because differentiation of tan inverse x was 1 by 1 plus x square. Now reverse, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square will be tan inverse of x plus constant. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Remember all these problems to make you people perfect in basic formulas. That's what our aim is there in the type 1 problems. Whereas type 2, quite crucial, you need to apply suitable trigonometrical identities like sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A, maybe sin A cos B formula, maybe sin C plus sin D cos C formula, whichever suitable, but that is in type 2. Type 1, just using basic formulas of integration. Next problem, evaluate. Integration 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. I am solving NCERT problems plus some other also. If I solve only NCERT problems, then become less number of problems. It's not good for your advantage. Start from I. Let I. We shall break the terms. First term, 2 divided by cos square x minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. Next, what is 1 by cos square x? Secant square x. That is 2 into secant square x. Minus 3 into, here we can split sin x by cos square x as sin x divided by cos x into 1 divided by cos x. That is 3 into sin x by cos x into 1 divided by cos x. So that sin x by cos x is tan x, 1 by cos x will be secant x. That is equal to integration, 2 can be kept, 2 into integration secant square x dx, here 3 outside, into integration, at the same time sin by cos tan, 1 by cos of secant, so it is sec x into tan x. Now we have a formula in the list. It is directly integration of secant square x is tan x, whereas integration of sec x tan x is sec x. So 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus constant. Similarly, it may be whatever number, does not matter, 2 plus 3 cos x divided by sin square x, 1 by sin square x become cos x square x, cos by sin become cot, 1 by sin become cosec. Then use that formula which is related. What is integration of cos x square x minus cot x Integration of cosec x, cot x will be minus cosec x and so on. You can try yourself as interested yourself. Similarly, try to know only. Try it. Similarly, 5 plus 4 cos x divided by sin square x. Try yourself just like the last problem time. Next problem, find or evaluate. Find integration of cos 4x plus tan 5x plus 2 sec 3x. First step, take I. Next step, split the terms. How many terms? 3 terms. First one, integration of cos 4x. Second one, integration of tan 5x plus 2 into integration of secant 3x. Now you need to adopt the correct formula, that's all. See the list from last class what we mentioned and refer. It is integration of cos. What is integration of cos? Sine. I mean sine function, which whatever angle is present and divided by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? 4. So it is sine 4x divided by 4. Or can be taken as 1 by 4 into sin 4x. Again, refer. Leave formula. Here formula is only important. What is integration of tan x? Log sec x. Here log sec 5x divided by 5 means 1 by 5 into log secant 5x. Next, see the formula. See the formula of integration of sec x, not the differentiation formula, integration formula. Refer last class. What is integration of sec x? Log of secant x plus tan x. Here log of secant 3x plus tan 3x, more importantly, divided by 3 means here 2 by 3. 2 by 3 logarithm of sec 5x plus sec 3x plus tan 3x plus constant. So like this, any other kind of problems may come to you people anywhere, test or somewhere. You should not get yourself confused. Very important is that applying formula. That will be in your hand. You will remember formulas, study them correctly, by heart them, and apply right formula at right stage. We continue in the next class. For further, after some problem, we shall go to the next class, type 2 problems. We shall begin the next class, tomorrow. Thank you.